at the same college. Like in the second year, my friend called me up and asked me like if y'all want to go out, and I thought like yeah. And then for some reason he invited also other people, and they were like a group of 10. And Sarah was there too, and she caught my eye, and I was like, hey, let's talk to her. And we casually started talking like.
So yeah, we started talking, and the bar that we were at was like this little Irish pub, and we were at this table in the back left corner, and yeah, it was cozy, and I don't know if we were in a big group, but Matthias and I just kind of started like focusing on each other the whole time. We just kind of like, I don't know, hit it off kind of like on a friend level probably, like we were just, yeah.
So when that night was over, I went home easy. Next day I was thinking about Sarah, and I was like, I want to get to know her better. So I actually sent her a text message and asked her out for our first date. And then she said